Steph, this is Q. I'm having a few issues here, and I want to see if you can help me with. Now, I know when you use the GPS on the tablet, sometimes the addresses may not come up accurate, so you have to put them in manually. Okay, but the problem I'm having is that I'm having to do that, but it's throwing, my observations off for where the cleanouts are because the properties are not lining up. So the picture you're looking at now is on the Google Earth on our laptop. So what I wanted to do is show you an example. Now you see the house here, the pool, and its funny looking driveway. I'm going to the tablet. You see the same thing. The house, the pool, and the funny looking driveway. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go up top, and as soon as I can get it clear up a little bit, I'm going to type in 47, what is that, 47 Upper Pond Road, right there. So I'm going to pull it back and go here. And you see it gave me 47 Upper Pond Road on that house. And you can notice that the street says right there, Upper Pond Road. Well, I'm going to go over here to the same property. So what I'm going to do, click New, put my cursor right on the top of that, as you notice on the house. Then I'm going to go up top and click the Save button. Then I'm going to do the geological button to line it up. But it's telling me 216 Lame Horse Road, which is incorrect. So I cancel it. But you notice that same property says Upper Pond because this is the front of the house that we done and it's facing this way. So the question is, why is it not lining up right? Why is it giving me all these inaccuracies here? So the next thing I done was to see if maybe I was off or something, or see if something was off. I clicked New. Then I went and put the cursor maybe right here in between the two houses and to see what address it gives me. So I click Save. And then I go over here to the button, the geological button, click it. It gives me 41 Upper Pond Road. Now remember, it was in between these two, so I'll go back over here and I'm going to type in, you got to bear with me, I'm trying to do all this at one time. I put the 41 Upper Pond Road, I'm going to back up, get it to line up here, get it to clear up, click 41, and you see it gives me across the street. That's 41 Upper Pond Road, which is totally inaccurate. But over here, it showed me over here, not across the street. So I'm trying to figure out why does it do that? What is causing it not to be accurate like it is here on Google Earth and messing up over here on a tablet? Now the other problem I'm having with the tablet, now you see these properties. Now if I need to get a closer view, when I stretch it out, it gives me this error. Let me back it up a little bit, hope you can read it. But it basically says, I can get it to line up because it gets a little blurry here. But it says data, map data not yet available. But when I just keep bringing it back, it eventually lines back up. So I can barely understand. I'm trying to make sure when I stretch it out that I'm not missing something in between the properties. So I'm just trying to figure out why is it not lining up. The Google Earth does good on the laptop, but the GPS on the tablet does not work well. So I'm just hoping that's something that you can try to help me figure out, because one of the problems we're having, well, let me go to the tablet, is that, so as I can clear up, if I put this property in and it comes up wrong, as a matter of fact, let's go to this one. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to click New, Then I'm going to put my cursor right on the top of that property. Then I'm going to click Save. Go to Geological. It gives me 39 Upper Pond Road. Now, that house says 39 Upper Pond Road. Let me put the cursor here so we can remember. Okay, see the funny shape. That's 39 Upper Pond Road, what it gave me. Well, I'm going to go over here. You see that same house. Where's it at? Right here. It's the same house. So I'm going to go over here. And I'm going to type 39 Upper Pond Road. And you see where it takes me, in the middle of a field. But it takes me by this house, right here, with this funny looking driveway. Well, there's that funny looking driveway. But it brought me over here. So what happens is, if I get 39 and I line it up, it starts throwing me off. My cleanouts won't match. So if I get here and put the address in, it's telling me here, then I said, okay, I'm gonna put it in manually over here. Then the next clean out is gonna keep telling me, it's gonna keep throwing me backwards. And it's not gonna line up, and it's gonna be almost like I'm skipping. So I just kind of hope you can tell me what's going on or why it's doing that. If you have any other questions, just please give me a holler, and hopefully I can help you. All right, thank you.